So I want to show you the exercise where we are going to sketch this component here. I'm going to sketch this component here by using solidworks. So stay with me till the end. Okay. Here we are going to start with this item here. Here is 8, here is 15, here is 8, and here is 60, here is 8, and here is 40. Okay. And go features, and select the right plane. Select the right plane. Okay, then dimension. See, here is 8. Here is 650. Okay. Okay, and then this. Dimension. Here is 8. And then here is 16. Okay, yeah. Come here. Small dimension. This is 8. And this down here is 40. Okay, then we come to trim. We'll trim this here. And then we'll trim this here. Okay, look at this. So we're going to create a sketch. So we are going to extrude this midi plane, or we can use this brand, and here 2 direction. Yes, 40, so we extrude by 20, and this 20. So here is 20, and here also is 20. Okay. Okay. After finishing this, then we're going to draw the lip here. So you go to right plane, then you exit base. See the sketch here. Go from here to here, and here, then here. Right, so here we'll draw a lip here, and from up to is 10, and from here to here is 8. So 8 plus 10 we got 18, and also here to here is 20, 22. Okay. Dimensions are from here to here. It is 22. Yeah. And also from here to here is 18. selected the sketch. With this, we go through means by two direction. We can use MIDI-POEM. MIDI-POEM, where here is 8. The thickness of this is 8. Okay, so we put 8 MIDI-POEM, then okay. So we already finish drawing a lip here, which connects this and this. Then we are going to extrude a cylinder here. See here. Okay. The height is 12. The diameter is 22. Okay. Click this is an extrude. And then go this. Here. Smart dimension. The diameter is 22. Okay. This with the sketch, extrude this by 12. See here we go blind for 12. Here is 12. Okay. And we are going to cut a hole here. A hole of which diameter? It is 14 diameter. We have a hole here. So here, select the surface, then extrude cuts here. The smart dimension, this is 14 millimeter. Okay. Then we're going to extrude the through hole. Extrude cut through hole. I go to sketch and extrude cut through hole. Extrude cut. Then is okay. As you see, we have okay. Then we can change the shape, the color, edit appearance. And the color floor, we can put this. Oh yeah, yes, okay. I thank you for viewing this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exercise. Remember, practice make improvements. So every day you have to get something to practice, and this channel will help you to get components that you can practice, you can follow step and improve by using solidworks.